Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make a micro airplane. These are the pieces you need. A 1x1 cheese slope, transparent, a 1x6 plate, a 1x4 plate, a 1x3 plate, a 2x3 plate, a 1x4 tile piece, 2 winged pieces, 1x3 winged pieces, and another cheese wedge. So first you take the 1x6 and the 2x3 and place the 1x6 on top of the middle of the 1x3. Then you take the transparent cheese slope and place it on the front. Then you take the 2 1x3 winged pieces and put them on the sides of the 2x3. Then you take the 1x4, you place the 1x4 behind the transparent cheese slope and place it right behind it. Then you take the other 1x4 but tiled and place it right on top of that. Then you take the 1x3 and place it on the back of the 1x6. Then you take the other cheese slope and place it right in the middle. So that's how you make a micro airplane.